next year, Sportage Hybrid promises to deliver fuel efficiency and power with plenty of room for all your gear. The design is clean, modern, sporty, while the interior is packed with technology. Beneath the hood is a 1.6 liter, 177 horsepower turbocharged engine that connects to a 44 kilowatt motor. Combined, the Sportage Hybrid makes 226 horsepower and will be offered in front and active all-wheel drive. Sportage is based on our new, stronger and lighter end platform, which ensures that all the power doesn't go to waste. What you get is a compact SUV that's truly engaging to drive. Now, just last month, we showed you the Sportage SX and X Pro models that will be made and assembled in America at our Kia plant in Georgia. And as you all agreed, Sportage will make waves and stand out with a bold and daring design. Our design philosophy of opposites united, where off-road confidence meets cutting-edge modern design, is shown to the max on Sportage. Bold angles, distinctive lighting, sporty body lines, all add up to a dramatic presence. And it doesn't just look bigger. Sportage has gone through an epic growth spurt. Compared with today's model, the difference is huge. Sportage has made the jump from the smallest SUV in its class to the head of the class. It's 7.1 inches longer than today's Sportage. It's also wider and taller, with a significantly longer wheelbase. We added 1.5 inches more ground clearance for a total of 8.3 inches, making Sportage more capable of handling any terrain. Sportage now offers best-in-class rear legroom and rear cargo capacity that's among the largest in the category. So we're no longer competing at the edge of this segment, we're right in the heart of it. Its larger size also helps to distinguish Sportage from Seltos, clearly defining its place in our lineup. If you think the outside is cool, take a look inside. A curved panoramic digital display comes with a 12-inch cluster and 12-inch infotainment touchscreen. That's 2 feet of uninterrupted screen right there in front of you. Sportage is packed with next-level intuitive technology, like in-dash blind spot monitoring, wireless Apple CarPlay, got it. Wireless Android Auto, of course. Wireless phone charging, absolutely. And Sportage comes with standard Kia DriveWise technology for built-in safety, including driver attention warning, lane keeping assist, and forward collision avoidance. We believe when you put it all together, the design, the driving dynamics, the efficiency, you get a compact SUV that stands apart from the crowd. It will set a new standard in the marketplace. Along with our new EV6 and our other EV and PHEVs, the Sportage HEV is another great example of the multiple pathways to electrification. We at Kia know how to get to an EV future. We know what the world will look like when we get there.
In the new Sportage, you're going to see.